What are you doing, Jamie? Are you playing with the little doorstop? Hi! What you doing? What you doing? Say hi! Come see Bailey. Come on. Oh, come here, Jamie. Look what Mommy has over here.
Jamie.
I have your toy. Come on, come get your toy. Ooh. Come on. Come on, you can crawl better than that. Come on. I think we should take your binky out. I don't think Grandpa Keel likes that binky in your mouth.
There you go. Good girl.
Come here, baby boo. No plant. Look at you. You went far. Hi. There we go. You can get up on that. She can do it, Daddy.
Oh, baby, cool like that.
Uh-oh. That's okay. You can try again. Mama, go to this side. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. That's a hi. I don't know who. Hi.
Puppy.
Say hi, puppy.
Hi, Bailey.
Hi, puppy.
Oh, it's Puppy.
Yeah, you be nice to your puppy. Don't pull his ears. Yeah, you come up here. Come on. You can get up. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you did it. Yay. Come on, push the buttons. You just want to crawl today? Okay. You can just crawl. Say Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, you just keep coming closer and closer and closer. Okay. See you later.